Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Irvin here, aka Tim with Irvin. Again, today is March 22nd, 2020, making today a Sunday. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification. All right, so that is the only way you're gonna be getting all my videos, all my analysis, only if you subscribe. Anyway, it's free. Enjoy it, subscribe, share it with all the social media, do whatever you want. And today we're gonna be analyzing triple arrow system. If you want to grab the triple arrow system, the link is below. Okay, make sure you check it out, and I will be giving you $20 cash back. All right, actually let's make it $25 cash back. All right, let's go ahead and let's give you the disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. As you saw last Wednesday when we did our live analysis, we analyzed 14 different pairs. Out of 14 different pairs, we have 3 that went against our analysis, which is a damn pretty good number in my opinion. And look at what we're going through in the world. So I mean, we're still doing a pretty good with our triple arrow analysis. So I'm very happy to see amazing result. And I just want to give you a quick update. Please download my FX hours. That will help you out to know when all the like the London, New York, Tokyo, Sydney, and Frankfurt opens and close, so on. Okay, it's very neat. And the next app that I really want everybody to be in it. I don't care if you disagree, once again, in everything I'm gonna say, but you need to know what is the news that is gonna be impacting our trade this week. Remember, we are trading the week of March 23rd to the 27th, 2020. So it's gonna be very intensive. News are gonna be going crazy. And so you need to pay attention to what is gonna be releasing on those links. Okay, so in case you didn't know, I do one-on-one session where I teach you how to trade, when to enter the market, when not to enter. I go through full detail how you need to do all this stuff. So if you are interested, you need a coach, all you got to do is hire me. There's a small fee for it, but the class is worth it. Now, for instance, let's say you found your account with $1,000 and you don't know what the hell you're doing. You're going to be blowing that account. And guess what? You still don't know what to do. So in my opinion, is always find someone that can help you and guide you so we all can learn together. Okay. All right. So if you see, there's some reviews here, got more here. I mean, everyone seems to be very, very happy. So I don't know if you really want to do it, but it's up to you. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that I'm here to help you. All right, so today we actually, let's go start with AUD USD. Pay attention to this particular pair, guys. Look at what the triple arrow is doing. What do you think the triple arrow is doing? Clearly the triple arrow is doing a what? It's doing a downtrend. Pay attention where the triple arrow is located. Triple arrow would never lie to you. I select the wrong tool. All right, let me delete this. Look at what that triple arrow is doing, guys. Triple arrow is clearly telling you the market is doing what? It's doing a bearish market. That's exactly what the market is doing. What is my prediction for this coming week? Remember, we are trading the week of March 23rd to the 27th, 2020. Make sure you guys watch the video. Come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to be reviewing exact same thing what I'm doing today. So you will be the judge and say, you know what, Irvin, what an amazing analysis, or if you don't like it, whatever you want. But I mean, it's just going to be there. So I just want everyone to really come back on Wednesday so we all can learn and together when we do a live session. Okay, so my analysis for this week is we're looking for a potential small retracement, retesting R23 Fibonacci line, and then from that particular area, the market is gonna drop down. Okay. If you have any question, guys, drop it below. Okay, because that is the only way I can really help you. Only if you participate. Don't think, oh yeah, my question is gonna be annoying. Most likely he's not gonna answer it. I'm not like that. I'm here to help you. Okay. There's no such a silly question, because trust me, your question will help other traders as well. Okay. All right, let me make sure that you drop that question below, so I will answer it for you. All right, let's go to our next pair. A lot of people love to trade USD JPY. Look at the time frame I'm using. I'm using 4 hours time frame. Look at the triple arrow. Triple arrow is telling us the market is doing what? It's telling us the market is doing a bullish market. That's exactly what the triple arrow is performing. Look at that. All these candles here are doing a what? It's doing a bullish market, right? Now, Irvin, what is your opinion for the week of March 23rd to the 27th? In my opinion, this is what the market may do, may not. But I rather give you what I think, because sometimes the analysis can damn pretty good. Out of 14, we had 3 against us. Sure, why not? It's a pretty good winning ratio, right? So now what I'm thinking this week is the market is going to drop from where it is. Obviously, it's still going to give us 1 or 3 more candles before the market drop. But I'm looking for a drop to retest our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line. And then we're going to come back on Wednesday. Most likely it's going to retrace back in mid of 61 to 38. Then the market will drop down. That is my prediction for this week of March 23rd to the 27th. And I'm using the triple arrow system, guys. If you are new here and you don't have the triple arrow system, the link is in the description of this video. My private Telegram is also in there. You can send me a message and book 101 if you want. But it's up to you, all right? There's a small fee. It's worth the fee. Or you keep doing what you're doing, which is blowing the account. If you are doing that, if you are successful with your strategy, I congratulate you. But a lot of people don't know that I am the IT support for the triple arrow system. A lot of your setup are completely messed up. So sometimes I just don't know how you trade. But hey, if you need help, you contact the right person, which is me, right? All right, so let's go and analyze our next pair. We're gonna go ahead and analyze GBP versus our Japanese yen. Look at how beautiful this setup is, guys. Look at what the triple arrow is giving us here. It's giving us a bullish market. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 arrow. So the market is performing exactly what the triple arrow is telling us it's doing. Now, what I'm seeing for this week of the 23rd to the 27th, I'm still seeing a small retracement, retesting this low here. Look at that, low, which is the 23 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, market will take off. But this is a temporary bullish market. Don't be in it for so long. This is a very temporary one. Then most likely the market will drop down because the overall here is bearish. There you go. Let's get it, guys. I'm so excited coming in and tell you about this. I really enjoy it, and hopefully you also grab here hundreds and hundreds of pips. There you go. So I get excited. Hopefully you feel that excitement. I mean, I'm doing this for free. I love it. So all you got to do is comment below and say, Irvin, let's do it. Let's get these pips. I don't do signals. Remember, this is just an educational purpose. You can do whatever you want with the data, but this is my analysis for this coming week. Okay. All right, let's move on to our next pair. We're going to move on to our NCD versus our US dollar. Remember, please, guys, check the news, okay? Whatever I'm telling you to do today is subject to change based on the news. Nobody know how the news are going to react, but you got to be educated and taking an educated opinion, or like that you would not blow your account. But look at what I'm expecting to see here, guys. I'm clearly expecting to see a triple arrow formation. So far, we have 1, 2 of our arrows. So, our arrow. So we're looking for the third one, but most likely the market will still be a bullish market, and that's what it is. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna restart this. Most likely, it's gonna do a retracement, retesting our 38. Then we'll take off as a bullish market. So I want you to come back on Wednesday where we're going to be analyzing this live once again. You get to ask the question and I give you the answer. But it's very simple, guys. It's really simple, okay? So make sure you also subscribe to the channel if you want to see all this set up. So I'm thinking now that you know, the world is going with some stuff like that. So I'm looking to maybe create more video based on your needs. Make sure you comment below so I can address your question. Maybe I can do a video on your whatever area that you don't feel strong. Okay. So let's go ahead and analyze our next pair for the week of 23rd to the 27th. So we're looking here on CHF versus our Japanese yen. What I'm looking here, guys, look at this, guys. It doesn't matter if the market, look at how I do this stuff. It doesn't matter how the market is going choppy, going sideways, like doing consolidation. But the overall here, I'm right. The market is bearish. The market is bearish. It's just overreacting because of what we're going through currently right now in the world. But look at that, market still here. I know market is bearish, so it's not like I'm gonna be bullish when I know it's temporary, small pullback on a bullish market. But what I'm looking for this potential week is I'm looking for a continuation of the bearish market. But right now, obviously, look at how crazy this triple arrow from here. It clearly tells you, yes, when triple arrow come in, it's still gonna give you a bullish market. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 3 candles. So that I mean 3 arrows. So that means the market is bullish, right? But it's a temporary pullback. That's what I always mention to you guys. It's not like, don't be in it for so long, because the market is bearish. And now you can disagree with me. You can come back on Wednesday and say, Irvin, you know what? You're right, you're wrong. This is the way how I see the market. Give me your opinion. I want to know what you think. That is the only way I can help you. If you give me the opportunity to know what you're doing. But in my opinion, the market from this area here, market is going to keep dropping down because that's what it is. What do you think it's going to do? I mean, I could be your ear, so you just talk to me. I'm here. Talk to me. Make sure you watch yesterday's video, guys. That was the Saturday video, the pre-week. Watch that video. That video is pretty good. So I'm planning not to put one video into our chat room and one go to the world, which is the full analysis. In order for you to see this full analysis, you have to subscribe. I don't know if you just come and don't subscribe. In case you don't subscribe, you're not gonna get to see this when they first release. All right, but I mean, this is dang good. You guys have any question? All right, let me answer some of your question. All right, cool. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what we have here. Look at what we're doing on GBP versus our New Zealand dollar. Look at what I'm doing here. Boom! This is freaking amazing, guys. I'm telling you, sometimes I amaze myself. Look at here. What we're looking here, guys, is we're looking for a triple arrow long term to be a bullish market. Right? So right now for this coming week, I'm looking for a small retracement so we can fully take off the bullish market. Right now we have only 2 arrows going as a bullish, so we still need another one. So we still 1 or 2 more candles, then the market will take off as a bullish market. It's that simple. In my opinion, that's what I'm doing this week, guys. Pay attention. I don't know how you trade, but if you follow me all these years along, you should know exactly how I do the stuff. If you're still confused and you want to do the 101, my private Telegram is on the description of this video. Send me a message. We can do 101, and trust me, you will look at the market in a different way. But there's some of you that say, Irvin, I want to do the 101 with you, but I want to talk to you before I do that. Nah, man. If you are serious doing this, be serious. I don't have time to play around. To teach you, it takes over 1 hour. But trust me, you will look at the market in a different way. All right? All right, guys. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any question. Please drop it below. All right? All right, let's go to our next pair. Let's go to AUD Canadian dollar. Oh, my goodness. Look at this, guys. Look what the triple arrow is doing, first of all. Look what the triple arrow is doing. Triple arrow is telling us who is in charge. Triple arrow is bearish market. Exactly is doing what it's supposed to do. In my opinion, this week, remember, 23rd to the 27th, market still dropping down. giving us 3 more candles, 4 more candles, then the market will take off as a correction of the triple arrow, which is a bullish market. Then the market will drop down because it's just a correction. Pay attention when I come back on Wednesday, when we do our last session, you will be like, wow, you did Saturday exactly, and it's performed. It's fine if the trade goes against us, but out of 14, let's say we lose 5 trade out of 14 or 6 trade, we're still a winning trade. I mean, winning ratio, because I mean it's 5 out of 14. We still got pretty good numbers as a winning. But you cannot be trading and say, okay, I'm gonna lose 14 and not even win 1. I mean, that's not how you do it. So, I mean, if you want me to coach you, just send me a private message on my Telegram. I could help you out. All right, let's move on. Let's go to our next one. I really want to make this video under 30 minutes so you can go over and over and over and watch it. This is the only damn thing you can do. And guys, please, a lot of you guys are teleworking from home and doing whatever you're doing. Sharp your skills, guys. Watch video, learn my opinions, hire someone that can guide you how to do this stuff. But this is the opportunity where you can sharp your skills. Don't just be watching TV on your couch and think, oh yeah, you know, I'm gonna master Forex just by watching TV and just studying 1 hour of video. That's not how you do it. You gotta be consistent. This game is a damn beast, guys. This is your ATM. But once you master your skills, you can watch TV all day long and you can just trade only 1 pair and then you enjoy the rest of your life. But in the meantime, you gotta invest in yourself. Now, pay attention what the market is doing on the GBP versus our Canadian dollar. It's clearly telling you the market is doing what? Market is bearish. Did I just talk about this or no? Maybe not, maybe yes. But look at this. Market here is telling the market is doing a bearish market. You tell me if it's not doing that. Triple arrow is very damn accurate, guys. I really love it. And it's getting better because it's a new version of the triple arrow is still on the still working behind scenes, so you will love the new one that is coming, but you got to be patient of it. So what I'm expecting to see here, guys, like I say, you know, 1, 2, 3 more candles, the market will go up and then it will drop down. All right, so because this is a temporary pullback. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. If not, once again, you send me the message. All right, let's go to our next pair. We're gonna go ahead and analyze euro versus our New Zealand dollar. Always pay attention, Irvin. You work only with 4 hours time frame and daily and weekly and monthly. Yes, sir. That's exactly what I do. Some others love to trade in a lower time frame. Nothing wrong with that. They have their own rules. You better know the rules so you can be successful on what they do best. But what I do is what I do. You follow me, you follow my rules. You follow somebody else, you follow their rules. Find your niche. Everyone has to be successful on one thing. Don't try to do 5, 10 things at the same time and get your mind confused. Because look at what the triple arrow don't lie. Look at what triple arrow is telling us here. What is the triple arrow telling you on euro NCD? Triple arrow is telling you the market is bearish. Don't ever, when the market is telling you it's bearish, don't buy. A lot of you newbies here, triple arrow is telling you it's bearish and they do buy. All right, so I don't know if this makes sense. Look at how my chart, how clean it is, guys. There's no such other things below. It's clean. Now, what I'm seeing for this week of March 23rd to the 27th, I'm looking for a potential down. Look at that. Bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, bam, bam. So this is what I'm seeing. It's a bearish damn market, guys. Stick with this freaking triple arrow system. Triple arrow is telling the market is bearish, then you go bearish. We're going to come back on Wednesday. We're going to reanalyze these pairs. Most likely it's going to come back and do a retracement. Then we'll drop down. But I want you to come back on Wednesday where we're going to analyze this together as a team. Where you get the opportunity to ask questions and I get the opportunity, the pleasure to answer your question. Because I really enjoy this stuff, guys. I really do. Okay? And I will, in the comment of this video, guys, I will leave the video that I created yesterday, Saturday. So you can go back and review that. From now on, what I'm going to do in the description, I'm going to pin maybe that comment, and I'm going to put the pre-week link, and then I'm going to put the full analysis, which is this one that I'm doing for the week, for every week. So like that, you can always go back to the description in there and click and watch the video. Okay, so hopefully that help you out. And make sure you guys watch this video, guys. This is the only way you learn. All right, so don't just and don't add extra indicators, guys. Keep this game simple. Keep it simple. Look at this one, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. We have some great setup for next week, guys. Really great setup. Look at what I have here. Market is giving me what? What do you think the market is doing? You should know by now. You better not say that it's bearish, because I will have somebody else inside of your house to knock your head. Because look at this. Market is telling you I'm a bullish market. It's not bearish. You know that. So look at what triple arrow. Triple arrow is performing exactly what our triple arrow system is doing. Yes, market is doing a small correction. 1, 2, 3 more candle. Then what do you think it's gonna do? It's gonna go bullish. Then it's gonna do a small correction again. Then you come back on Wednesday with me. We're gonna wrestle this together as a team, as a family. Then we move on. Once again, you need the 101, guys. This is it. Some of your chart, your templates all screwed up. Remember, I'm the IT support for Triple Arrow System. Any question, anything, if you need help, you want me to set it up, put it in another computer, do whatever, you let me know. Because some of you had everything screwed up. But, if you want to change it, it's you. If you wanted the 101 thing, invest in yourself, guys. This is the time to learn. You're going to be doing nothing in the house. Nothing. Hopefully you guys get to clean the house. All right. And I'm not trying to be rude, guys. Sometimes we need this. All right, so let's go to our last pair of the day. Perfect. Look at what I have here. Oh my God. I'm using the USD chart. Look at what time frame I'm using. I'm using the daily time frame. Look at what the daily time frame is telling us, guys. Daily time frame is telling us the market is doing what? The market is doing a bullish market. It's beautiful. What I'm expecting to see this coming week, to be honest here, I'm expecting to see a formation of retesting our 61 Fibonacci line, then do a small correction, retesting our 61 to our 60 to our 78 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue as bearish market. That's when you come back on Wednesday with me. Look at this M, guys. Look at this. We got M. Boom, boom, boom. That's a beautiful M. We're looking for a potential. At the end of the day, guys, here we're looking for a bearish market. What are you looking here? Are you in this trade? Some people don't like to trade CHF. Well, that's your opinion. The way I do my stuff, it works. May not work for others, may work for me. Remember, we all have different type of skills. So, but let's keep this game simple, guys. Hopefully this makes sense to you. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, guys. Share it with all the social media, and let's change the world one way or another. Okay. So like that, we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Most likely, for now on, maybe I'm gonna start coming in at 5:30 Eastern time, where we're gonna be testing all our audio and everything. And maybe we can start a few minutes early. And but the idea is there. All right, guys. So do you have any question? Any question for me? Any pair that you want me to analyze on Wednesday? In case you don't want me to analyze any of this pair that we went through right now, we can come back on Wednesday and do some of your personal trades that you are on it. But when you ask the question, for instance, let's say you are in USD JPY and say, hey, Irving, can you take a look at a USD JPY? I'm doing bullish, but this is what I'm looking. Kind of like give us an explanation, because I want the other people that are watching also to learn, okay? So this is the only way we can change the world. And remember, if you want the triple arrow system, it's a pay link, it's a pay software, so the description is below. So I will be giving you 25 cash back, okay? I don't think I have anything else. If you guys don't have any question, I will make sure you come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Okay?